Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Labs 92. We are on the highway to our company and we suddenly saw a tree with beautiful flowers on the roadside. Then we decided to park our car here to see it. Then we know that it's called paperflower. It has many pink color petals. It's beautiful. When I touch it, I can feel it's very thin, but it's not easy to be torn. We decided to check the petals of flowers under our microscope, and this is the result. Thanks for watching our video. We are from Labs 92. Discover the world to save our planet.